Yeah, we have 16 different countries here.
It's a race to the top to become a world champion. But as Brian Hylinski will tell you, you won't find it at the Olympic Games.
And if you win, you're the U.S. champion, you win a gold medal. It's a World Cup gold medal, whether it's the Olympics or whether it's ice climbing.
Brian says that winning feeling is one reason the climbing collective in Longmont has hosted the Ice Climbing World Cup for a second straight year. A feat that nearly didn't happen after a December windstorm tore the roof off the gym.
When the roof went off, there was a lot of mixed feelings about what happened, but there was never a single mixed feeling around this community.
That community rallied around the gym, launching a GoFundMe that helped get the climbing collective back on its feet in just 8 days.
And we're really hoping to make Longmont the home of the Ice Climbing World Cup for the next generation.
The hope is that events like this won't just shape champions here at home, but one day send ice climbers from Colorado onto the world's biggest stage.
Ice climbing, dry tooling, it's something we're trying to get into the Olympics. We'll hopefully find out in June.
A goal within reach, powered by a community that Brian says is already worth its weight in gold.
We did it!
This doesn't happen without them. We don't get a roof rebuilt in 8 days. We don't have any of that without Longmont. So yeah, gold medal all the way for this town.
In Longmont, Colton Chavez, 9 News.